wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best racing drones. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the immersionrc Vortex 285 is capable of precision cornering without losing speed, giving it an edge over faster racers that slow down when banking curves. Flanged aluminum lock nuts prevent the rotors from working loose in the middle of an intense flight. It comes with a foldable airframe and a vibration-free GoPro mount. However, note that it's not suitable for beginners. At number 9, the budget-friendly Holystone HS200 offers an altitude hold setting and real-time 720p video, and its rapid recharging power cell needs only an hour to be fully juiced up. It's capable of staying in the air for 7 to 9 minutes per charge. It features gravity sensor movement tracking and intuitive smartphone app integration, but its return home function is glitchy. Coming in at number 8 in our list. Playful looking but tough as nails, the Minion-esque Blade Inductrix is equipped with a 25mW video transmitter and a 4.3-inch FPV monitor for tracking the tiny machine's in-flight progress, while high-performance motors compensate for the weight of the onboard camera. It recharges in about 40 minutes and offers 5 to 7 minutes of flying time. However, it is difficult to stabilize. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for racing drones, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, if you get serious about the sport, you'll likely want to upgrade from the Holystone HS170 Predator eventually, but it's good for getting your feet wet. The headless mode keeps the controls consistent regardless of which direction it's facing. It offers 3 speed settings and a 6-axis gyro stabilization system, but it struggles in high winds. Moving up our list to number 6, the Cheerwing X27 fits in the palm of your hand and looks a little like an oversized ladybug, so it's no wonder that kids are drawn to it. Little ones should be able to control it as well, and the 360-degree stunt button will let them perform a few cool tricks. It's equipped with an altitude hold setting, a low battery alarm, and propeller guards for safety. Halfway up our list at number 5. Designed for indoor racing, the emax Tinyhawk is capable of reaching speeds of up to 35 miles per hour. It's easy to control even with the pedal to the metal, thanks to the powerful F4 processor and incredibly responsive gyro system that reduces the likelihood of mishaps. It beeps after a crash, so you can find it, but fortunately is an extremely durable construction. It's a budget-friendly choice too. At number 4, you can choose between basic or high-performance thumbsticks with the Bumbleb Whoop Pro. This allows you to customize the degree of touch to your skill level, so the machine can be extra forgiving when just starting out or super responsive once you're an expert. It includes a bright LED for nighttime flying and a spare battery. It's capable of surviving a few crashes. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Holystone HS150 Bolt B is fast, inexpensive, and high quality, which makes it an ideal starter model as well as a trusty option you'll revisit again and again. It's nimble enough to run circles around the competition and just plain fun to fly. It offers smooth and responsive flight and includes spare parts and a repair kit and modular battery packs. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for racing drones, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, produced by a company better known for personal transportation than unmanned aircraft, the swagdrone is a fast and capable FPV racer with an optional night vision camera that delivers stunning aerial views of the high-flying action in daylight or darkness. It offers up to a 120-degree field of view, an 800-meter transmission range, and 8 available HD video channels. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Drocon Bugs 3 can spend up to 30 minutes in the air at a time and is capable of reaching heights of up to 1,000 feet. It's plenty fast too, so you can blow your competition out of the water before taking it up into the clouds for some sightseeing. It features a 500-meter control range and durable brushless metal motors. It's ideal for learning with. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. www.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for racing drones, or simply click beneath this video.